Dauda, you see all this equipment? What is it for?
They are for the wireless connection.
For Salaga Wireless,
For Salaga CRC.
It's a lot. Because how many stakeholders in the community will probably be connected?
Precisely, we cannot tell this in the number, but so far about 9 stakeholders.
Okay. Dennis, you're one of the technicians doing the implementation.
Yes.
Is everything going as planned? Do you see all the equipment?
Exactly.
Exactly.
I'm just looking at the number of equipment we have. And from that I can tell you if all the points we get.
So I should have a little bit, can need to pay?
We have 9 nodes we are targeting to settle. Okay. So I'm not cross-checking if all the equipment are available.
Okay.
I'm now opening the boxes since it was brought.
So then, does it feel like opening presents?
Yeah, of course. You know how worried we were when the things were not getting here.
Yeah.
Very much.
Okay. Thanks. Good luck.